Good morning, students. I believe you had a wonderful weekend. Okay, my name is Ilesomitope Joseph. I'll be taking you through quantitative reasoning. Quantitative reasoning. I'll be looking at length. Okay, let's start with the lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, you must be able to understand the meaning of length, understand the basic measurements in length, then you must be able to carry out some simple conversions on length measurements. Now look at this. Measure length for kids. Then we talk about the concept of length. What is length? So length can be defined to be the measurement of distance between 2 points. The measurement of distance between 2 points. If you look at this image very well, look at this mama, I would say lady, trying to measure the other lady, but she's using something to measure. That is called a ruler. You can say meter rule, yes. So she's looking for the height. So that is the distance between the ground level of this lady and her height. That is the distance between the 2 points. The first point is the ground. Then the next is the head, where the measurement starts and where it ends. That is the meaning. Now, measurement of length. Length can be measured using ruler if it is a short distance, while we use tapes to measure long distance. And the unit of measurement, or the unit of length rather, is always in meters. We have them in meters, we have them in centimeters, and we have them in kilometers. I traveled 50 kilometers to Ibadan. That is a long distance. Kilometers. 5 meters. You can measure, you can measure 5 meters on your ruler. Depends on the ruler, because the long ruler, which is 100 centimeters, is just 1 meter. So you can rather use tapes for that, while for ruler is centimeters. As you can see what I've just measured, we can use footstep to measure, we can use our arm span, we can use our arm length, we can use this vernier caliper, this is tape rule, then this is ruler. They are used for measurement. This also is vernier caliper. So we can use them for measurement. It's just the distance from one point to the other. Now, conversion. We can convert from kilometers to meters, from meters to centimeters, from centimeters to millimeters. But because of what we are looking at, we will only be looking at from kilometers to meters and from meters to centimeters and vice versa. If I'm saying vice versa, means the other way around. You can convert from centimeters to meters, you can convert from meters to kilometers. Now, in conversion, what do you need to know? Note this, that 100 centimeters makes just 1 meter. 100 of centimeters makes just 1 meter. Then another one is 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Just 1000 meters makes just a kilometer. Okay, note that whenever you are converting from meters to centimeters, you multiply by 100. But when you are converting from centimeters to meters, you divide by 100. It can only be explained better when we solve problems. Okay, another one is whenever you are converting from kilometers to meters, you multiply by 1000. And whenever you are converting from meters to kilometers, you divide by 1000. I will explain this in more details. Now let's start with the first example, which is example 1. Let's start with example 1. The first example I have this. I have 100 centimeters, and what will be inside the box? So what do I have? I have 100 centimeters. Then I want it to be in meters. I want it to be in meters. As I've said earlier on, that 100 centimeters is just 1 meters. Do you see? Or better still, since you are taking it to meters, you just do 100 centimeters divided by 100. So this will take you to 1 meters. Now another example, we have 300. We have 300 centimeters. So what will be here? We have 300 centimeters. What will be here? Just like the one that we have, 100 centimeters give us 1 meters. That means this will be 3 meters. Okay. Then the next one is we have 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. So we want to take it to centimeters. I told you we multiply by what? 100. That will be 2.5 multiplied by 100. And this will give us, you achieve the decimal point twice in 2 places. That will be 2. That will be 1, 2. So that will be 250 centimeters. That is 250 centimeters. Now this is your take home. I'll draw it on the board. This is question 1. I'll just give you just 2 or 3 questions. I have 200 centimeters. So what will it be in meters? Then I have this in centimeters. Then I have 5.95. I have 5.95 meters. So what would this be? So just try those 2 exercises for me, and that is the end of today's class. I believe you enjoyed today's class. Thank you very much. Bye.